Living in High Springs means enjoying warm summers, mild winters, and plenty of sunshine throughout the year. While the climate is one of the area's biggest perks, it also places unique demands on your home, especially when it comes to energy efficiency. One of the most effective upgrades homeowners can make to reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort is installing new, energy-efficient windows. Old or outdated windows are often a hidden source of energy loss. Drafts, heat transfer, and poor insulation can force your air conditioning system to work overtime, driving up utility bills and making your home less comfortable. New windows are designed to solve these problems while adding long-term value to your High Springs home. Better insulation for year-round comfort. Modern windows are built with advanced insulation technologies that significantly reduce heat transfer. Features like double or triple pane glass, insulating gas fills between panes, and improved frame materials help keep indoor temperatures stable. During hot High Springs summers, new windows prevent outdoor heat from seeping inside. In cooler months, they help retain warmth, reducing the need for constant heating adjustments. This improved insulation means fewer hot spots, less draftiness, and a more consistent temperature throughout your home. Rooms that once felt uncomfortable or hard to cool can become usable and enjoyable again. Lower energy bills you can feel every month. One of the biggest benefits homeowners notice after installing new windows is reduced energy costs. Energy-efficient windows minimize the strain on your HVAC system by maintaining indoor temperatures more effectively. When your air conditioner doesn't have to work as hard, it uses less energy, and that translates directly into lower monthly utility bills. Over time, these savings can add up significantly, helping offset the initial investment of window replacement while providing ongoing financial benefits year after year. Advanced glass technology blocks heat and UV rays. New windows often feature low emissivity, low-E coatings that reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter your home. This is especially valuable in High Springs, where sunlight is abundant. Low-E glass helps block harmful UV rays that can fade furniture, flooring, and curtains, while also reducing solar heat gain. The result is a brighter home without the excess heat, allowing you to enjoy natural light without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Reduced air leaks and improved sealing. Older windows commonly develop gaps, cracks, or worn seals over time. These small openings allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter, making your home less energy efficient. New windows are precision-built and professionally installed to create a tight seal that significantly reduces air leakage. Improved sealing not only boosts energy efficiency but also helps keep out dust, pollen, and outdoor noise, an added bonus for homeowners seeking a cleaner, quieter indoor environment. Increased home value and long-term peace of mind. Energy-efficient windows are an attractive feature for potential buyers and can increase the overall value of your High Springs home. Beyond resale value, new windows often come with strong warranties and require less maintenance than older models, offering peace of mind for years to come. You'll also enjoy enhanced curb appeal, smoother operation, and modern designs that complement your home's style while delivering real performance benefits. A smart upgrade for High Springs homeowners. Replacing old windows is more than a cosmetic improvement. It's a practical investment in comfort, efficiency, and long-term savings. For High Springs homeowners looking to beat the heat, reduce energy costs, and create a more comfortable living space, new windows offer a powerful solution that pays off every day. With improved insulation, advanced glass technology, and superior sealing, energy-efficient windows help your home work smarter, not harder, no matter the season.